Okay, here's a quick little video that I made using the screencast software, just to give kind of a rundown on the idea of like what sort of screencasting things do. So like if you go to Google and look up screencast programs, let's see here. Okay, so you'll get a bunch of different things. I've tried to work with a few of these, like this one, which has like a 7-day free trial. So that is an option for people, as well as something called Screencastify. Oh, here it is, which is more like an app, like a web extension for Chrome. So if you're like a regular Google Chrome like person, this one might actually be the best one for you. Although that's not where I am, so I don't usually use that. So the one that I'm most familiar with, though, is was called Screencast-O-Matic, but it's now called ScreenPal. But that's not it here. So let's just go straight to ScreenPal. Okay, and then we can open that up. Right. So I ended up actually signing up for their not free program because they have there was an issue. And this is going to be important because if you want to use the free software, it doesn't capture computer audio, only microphone audio, so only your vocal narration. So if your presentation uses video, that's a big problem, which is why I decided to just pay the like $3 a month subscription for it. You can also get it for just like 1 month for $6. But if you're doing a presentation that doesn't involve sort of video or any kind of audio from your computer, so it would just be stuff captured by your microphone in terms of audio, I think that the free version of this is probably the best way to go. So like you can do PowerPoints, and then so like you'll just run through your PowerPoint and you can be on screen talking about your PowerPoint while you go through. So it works really well for that. Usually there's a little button down here if you haven't already like signed up for the subscription that'll say like use the free recorder or whatever, and you'll do that and it will start kind of downloading the app, the program, and you'll have to go up here to the downloads key to click on the like setup for the extension or whatever it is. It'll be called something like ScreenPal Setup. Then you'll just click on that and it'll set it up for you. This is what the icon will look like. It gives you a screen. I can't screencast the screencasting software, but on your screen while you're doing it, you'll have some little like buttons and features that let you do stuff, and you can make your camera bigger. The blur thing is automatic for the free program, but you can change it for the $3 a month subscription or whatever. And I feel like that's about it. It doesn't do a lot of like editing, but you can wait for it. Wait for it. Oh my gosh, where'd my hand go? It's not there anymore. It was there, but now it's gone. So you can pause your recording and restart from a separate place. And then this is what the audio from the computer sounds like if you purchase the full program or like the deluxe program or whatever it is.
Certainly.
There's those ladies.
In March 1893, did it come to your notice that...
And then here's James Mason, who has the best voice.
Friends. Yes. You've stayed with him at many places.
So yeah, it does a good job of capturing James Mason's awesome voice. Your microphone will get subdued a little bit by the computer audio if you can't tell. So this is me trying to talk at the same time the computer audio is on. But with the free version, you basically, like, this does not come through at all. It just sounds all muddled and distant because it's just your, like, computer mic picking up the video. But here, real quick, let me show you how this would look if you wanted to do, like, a PowerPoint. Okay, so this is like just a PowerPoint presentation. You'll still have your, like, your cursor things, and it'll show you clicking on things, and you could go through and talk over it, basically, is the idea. And I don't know, that's basically how it works. Okay. I think that's everything.